Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about a Walgreens curbside deal to get some Aveeno on the cheap, cheap, cheap. Isn't that your favorite word? So what is curbside? You basically order this through your cell phone or, a desktop computer, and you order the units through the Walgreens app or website, and you opt to have it as a curbside pickup, meaning you drive to the store or you go into the store to the photo department and they will provide you the goods, and it's a little bit cheaper to do it this way. So if you look on the website, the Aveeno body wash 18 ounces, so that's a pretty sizable bottle. It's $6.99 on a BOGO, 50% off. Now with Aveeno, I believe in store it's like $8.99. It is a little bit more. So curbside is a little bit extra savings for this product. Now we also have this digital, which is $2 off. So please make sure that you have it loaded. And I had it on both of my store cards just to note that. So if you like Aveeno and you want to look like Jennifer Aniston, this might be the deal for you. And maybe I'm lying, you won't look like Jennifer Aniston, but isn't she like the spokeslady for Aveeno? Anyhow, Aveeno body wash, very nice. Now over on IBOTTA, we also have a $2 back when you purchase this. And the limit for this is up to 3 times, but we're buying 2. So we're going to get $4 back with the IBOTTA app. And if you look at the bottom, Walgreens is right there. So just jogging through the math for this little dealio. And remember, curbside, because in store it's probably going to be $8 per body wash. So 2 of them at a curbside is $10.48. And where I'm getting that goofy math again, remember it's BOGO 50% off. Subtracting that $2 digital, along with, I'm going to throw in $5 of Walgreens cash because this is a couponing page and we want to pay as little out of pocket. You're paying $3.48 after all of that magic. Once you get your receipt, so I would recommend to go in store and go to that photo desk and say, I want my stuff, so they can print out a receipt for you. And make a photo submission to IBOTTA. Just submit it. You'll get $2 back for each. So that's $4 back. It makes it really cheap, like $2 and some change per body wash if you love Aveeno. Okay, so now we're going to talk about this stem product. And hasn't that been just like the thing we've been looking for at Dollar General and like all over the world? But in the summer display, I found some of this stem stuff. So it's like a pest control product. It's new and fancy and probably vegan. Who knows? But I found them finally and they're $8.99. Now, as a curbside pickup, it's like $1 and some change cheaper. So that's definitely the way to do it. Now, I knew we had a digital from coupons.com that expired in March. And I think there was an insert coupon that also expired. But if you want to try this, maybe this is the thing for you. And if you want to scan it with the Walgreens app, like, do they have this? Yes or no? Oh, it's an SC Johnson product too. So it's probably not vegan. I just made that up because I'm lying this morning. But just to see, does my store have this or not? But you can usually find that through the app. If you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's $6.99 back when you buy 2. So you're going to have to grab 2 of these. As you can see, there's a little ticker tape thing there saying that, you must buy it in the next 4 days. So I would move on this really quickly if you wanted to try this stem product. It's something new. So again, curbside, grab 2 of them. They're $7 and some change, so that's $15.28. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $5.28 with your debit card, and then make that submission to IBOTTA for $6.99 because you bought 2 of them. So not the greatest, biggest savings, but if this is a product that you wanted to try or you have problems with bugs in the spring or summertime, this might be a stock up price pour vous. I would love to see a coupon with this or some other sort of rebate stack, but this is all we have. But I finally found it in the summer stuff, so go figure that one out. Last store we want to talk about before I take off is the Dollar General and this winter hardware, so winter scrapers, de-icers, items to keep your windows warm in the wintertime. It's all a penny as of this morning, and today is the 19th. Here are the barcodes. I'll show you them again in a quick second. But I got just under 30 products for 30 cents, and you just cannot beat that price point. And here is the Prestone, that spray stuff. And I got to tell you, I got to hand it to the staff. They really did clear a lot of the pennies off the floor. However, a lot of this stuff was on a sky shelf in automotive, and that's where I found the most of it. So it was just tucked away up there. Maybe it was just excess. That's that little scraper. And then the shovels and then some of the bigger ice scrapers were still full price. And this is another little smaller scraper that I found for a penny. So good luck with this. If you're a penny hunter, I would head out ASAP and scan everything. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.